So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and use the new dual screen recording or dual camera recording on your iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pros or the iPhone Air. Now doing this is very basic. The first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go through and open up your camera application. So open up your camera application just like this, and what you want to do is you want to navigate over to the video portion that's at the bottom. So go through, click on the video portion that's right here, and you want to make sure you're in this toggle. Now next up, what you're going to want to do is you want to basically swipe up from the bottom, and you'll be able to see this particular option come up. So what you want to do here is you want to tap on the dual capture option that's at the bottom. So for now it's out basically at the bottom. Tap on dual capture and you'll see this new front camera thing popping up at the front, and you will also see your recording coming down over here. So now what you can do is you can start recording the video. And when you start recording, what's going to be recorded is this front camera, this particular screen right up here, as well as whatever is showing on your display. So it's almost like this particular thing is going to be showcased on the camera. So all you have to do here is basically just start recording, click on the record button, and then when you're done, it'll start showing it. Now if you want to turn it off, what you can do is you can swipe up from the bottom once again, and that dual capture option, you can tap on it, and it will remove that front camera option right there. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.